Namaste students, myself J.V. Ranjika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is fermentative production of alcoholic beverages. So first of all, what is ethanol fermentation? And then it is comes under introduction in this. An alcoholic drink, that is alcoholic beverages, is a drink that contains ethanol. It is a type of alcohol produced by fermentation of grains, fruits, or other sources of sugar. Alcoholic beverages are produced throughout the world. The type of beverages and the substrate used for its production mostly depends on the crops grown in the region. In Poland and Russia, beers manufactured from barley are consumed, while in France, Italy, and Greece, wine mostly consumed. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the key organism for the production of alcoholic beverages. The most common used organism for the production of beverage is the yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is the have the advantages for good production of yield of alcoholic beverages. There are two types of Saccharomyces cerevisiae strain: bottom yeast and top yeast. The bottom yeast settles to the bottom, whereas the top yeast raises to the top while carrying out fermentation. Next is fermentation process. Fermentation is a metabolic process that converts sugar into alcohol. In this, sugar converted to alcohol and carbon dioxide with the help of yeast. So next is ethanol fermentation, which is alcoholic fermentation also called as. It is a biological process which converts sugar such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose into cellular energy, producing ethanol and carbon dioxide as byproduct. Because yeast perform this conversion in the absence of oxygen, alcoholic fermentation is considered as an anaerobic process. It also takes place in some species of fish, where provides energy when oxygen is scarce. Ethanol fermentation has many uses, including the production of alcoholic beverages, the production of ethanol fuel, and bread cooking. So, in this biochemical process of fermentation of sugar, in this chemical equation below, summarize the fermentation of sucrose into ethanol. In this, C6H12O6 converts to alcohol ethanol, which is C2H5OH plus 2 carbon dioxide, 2CO2. So in this, effect of oxygen also plays a role. In bread baking, it is also used as ethanol fermentation. In alcohol beverages, it is also used in ethanol contained alcoholic beverages. It is produced by means of fermentation introducing by yeast. It is also used feedstock for fuel production. So this is all about alcoholic beverages. Thank you, students. If you have any query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.